I'm Alex Cruz, and I grew up in the Chicagoland area. I'm a current resident at University of North Carolina, Chapel Hill. I came to the Clinicians Implant Academy course because I was really interested in full arch, and we don't get a ton of experience at my program, and just learning from people who do it every day I thought would be an invaluable experience. It's been incredible. I mean, just learning the tips and tricks that they have from people that do it every single day. I know I'm gonna take things back that I will start using tomorrow. All of them have been incredible. You can tell they've got so many years of experience. They've seen and made every single mistake and know how to work through it, that I am just starting in my career. So I know that I've come to them with any single question and they have an answer because they've done it before. The nicest thing has been getting the hands-on experience and actually getting the materials in our hands to get used to it. The food has been incredible. Everyone's been really nice to us. I would definitely come back for additional courses. I got my All-in-X training at the CIA.